speak with clarity.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me. I have work later today, so I figured I will show you guys all my hair, makeup, and my entire outfit. So let's just dive right in. I'm not going to be telling you guys the products I'm using today. I'm just going to be diving in and literally just doing my makeup with you guys. You guys have seen my tutorials before. If not, you can totally check out my channel and look at all my makeup routines, but I mean, I don't really switch up my makeup a lot. I literally will use the same foundation, concealers, contouring, all my powdering. Everything's always the same. So who is excited for Christmas? I know I am. Oh my gosh. Right after Halloween is done, I'm just full board Christmas all the way. Even though I love Thanksgiving, but I mean, Christmas is just so fun. All the decorating, buying people gifts, spending time with family. I mean, the list goes on and on. There's just so much fun things about Christmas. Just so you guys know, I will be putting everything I'm using today in my video in the description box, like always. Oh my god. I literally just did my foundation and I turned the video off because I'm like, oh god, this is embarrassing. I'm not going to show this on my channel. But I literally forgot to put on my primer. Like what? That's honestly the second time I've done that filming a video. No lie. So we're just going to start this over because that's how my day is going. So let's start from step one again. Primer. Don't forget your primer, people like me. So I was writing my Christmas list for my mom yesterday. She wants some ideas. And it is so hard this year for me to come up with stuff. I don't know why. I mean, on a normal day-to-day basis, I could think of a million things I want. But when I have to try and create a list of the things I want, I can never, ever think of things. So, I don't know what I want for Christmas this year. Comment below what you guys want for Christmas this year, and maybe I will get some good ideas, because this girl needs some help. I mean, I could think of so many like makeup things that I want, like the James Charles palette, or everything Morphe, everything MAC, but at the end of the day, I know I'm only going to ever use one foundation because I love that foundation, and when I find makeup I love that works with my skin, I don't love using a bunch of different products because there's always going to be a favorite of mine. So what's the point of having multiples of foundation? I don't know. That's just me. Okay, let me just take a moment to make sure that I put everything on my face that I usually do before. Because apparently my brain can't remember anything today. I think to save time on this video, I'm gonna do this like fast motion, so.
For you to come around and save me. Will you stay with me? I'm lost here in America. Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost here.
Guys, it is so dry out. Like, granted, I still get oily, but like when I do my makeup now, I can just tell how dry my face is, which I'm not used to. So all summer I have to deal with having a oily ass face. Fun fact about me, I have the loudest ass hiccups ever. You will never meet anyone else that has hiccups like me. I don't like holding them in because they hurt. So, you know, I let them out. And it's like, I sound like a frog if I had to compare it to anything. Let's snatch out my face. I feel like my phone always goes off during my videos. Peep my last video if you saw it. Oh my god, literally, I loved how every time I was about to close out my video, it beeped. If you guys haven't seen my last video, my try-on haul, please watch it, because, I mean, I even died and laughed, and it's my video. Who watches Riverdale out there? Make sure to like this video if you watch Riverdale, because oh my god, this season is so good. If you don't watch Riverdale, you need to get on that, because honestly, probably my favorite TV show right now. I'm gonna give myself a snatched nose. Just so you guys know, one of my newest best beauty secrets that I've been doing is this. Doing your powdering with a beauty sponge. It is just so much better. I can't even explain it. I don't even know why. It just is. So much better. Because you can like really carve out your nose and just let that sit there. Here I said I'm not going to be describing what I'm doing, but here I am. And then do the same on the other side. And literally, this will give you the best contouring ever. Why I never did this before is beyond me, but best new thing I've tried out. And honestly, I'm not a big baker. I don't like, I feel like I'm talking about cooking right now. Like baking my face. I look so funny right now. Okay. I hate baking my face. Never like done it really. Just because I think it takes so much time. But I've learned that you don't need to do it for long. Or at least I don't. But I will admit, it's crazy how much it does change your makeup. And just really carves out your cheekbones and your nose. So, I just let that sit for a bit. Peep my cute new thingies, canvases. This one says, I came, I saw, I contoured. This one says, hello gorgeous, and I just love them. They're so cute. And if you don't think they're cute, then screw you. They're adorable. I really wanted to film a drive with me today. And I've really been thinking about doing one. But like getting around the copyright issues is so hard, you guys. Because you can't use other people's music in your videos. And I know like if you don't have that many viewers, it's fine, like, do it. And then if you get caught, you just take your video down or fill it with epidemic sound music. But you guys have no idea how bad I want to jam out 50 Cent in my car with you. So I'm trying to figure out a way to do it. So if you guys have suggestions, comment below. Look up YouTube's copyright rules and laws and let me know, because I want to make a fun video for you. What is your guys' favorite holiday food? Mine, honestly, is probably stuffing. I live for stuffing. It is my fave. Don't know what I would do if stuffing wasn't part of the Thanksgiving meal. No! Is there? Oh my god, guys, there is black on my brush. And I didn't know it, and I just put that on my nose. Like, look at that. Can you see it? Okay, obviously my camera doesn't want you guys to see it, so I guess I'll just use my finger for my nose. I was gonna try a tiny brush and see how I like that. Cool. Guys, I'm almost done with my first quarter of school. And yes, it's quarters, it's not semester where I go. Because I go year round, so it's broken down into quarters. But yeah, I'm almost done. I'm so excited. Feels so good to be almost done with the first round. I am expected to graduate March of 2020. And then I will be able to beautify people. I'm so excited. I will have to go to esthetician school though. So once I get my RN, I do have to go to esthetician school. Thought I was able to skip that, but no. State requires you to, which I understand, I mean, let's be real. But I will be able to do it short and quick, so it'll be fine. I'll get it done. Okay, I really want to be daring today and try new colors. My outfit's very neutral, so I mean I totally could, but do I want to risk it today? Will be a little daring. Oh, it's way redder of a color than I thought. Well, I might look like I have a black eye. Oh, I don't like it. Do you ever start doing a color in your eye and you're like, great, I messed up? And that's literally, like, I'm not a girl to do my eyes first, never have, never will be. You're the same way. You know the struggle that if you mess up on your eyeshadow, oh my god, you throw a BF. And if you don't know what a BF is, it's a bitch fit. And let me tell you, it's not fun. I can't believe Thanksgiving is Thursday. Like, what? What happened to November? Obviously it flew right by. Must have been gone for most of it. Honestly. And okay, let's helping it a little bit. Oh, honey. That was really daring. It'll have to do. Ooh. Okay, well, I just have to hit the light right. Who's excited for Black Friday? Anyone? I have to work. 9 to 2. So maybe I'll do some shopping after. But let's be honest, I'm poor. So I probably won't. Although I could do some shopping for some friends and family that day. Maybe I'll do that. I will be nice and shop for others. Okay, my eyebrows must have gotten long. Okay, to save time in this video, I'm doing my eyebrows. Wow. I'm doing my eyelashes off camera, so I'll be back. Okay, I have my lashes on. I quickly threw on some lipstick. So now I'm going to show you guys what I do with my hair. Obviously, it is already blow dried and straightened. I showered already. So all I do really, I don't have a big step for my hair. I use the Joiso, I don't know how to say it, Hair Shake. It is the liquid to powder texturizing finisher. I love it. You shake it up. Spray it all over your hair. And then just wherever you think you need a bit more volume, I spray it there. And that's the final look. Super easy. I love it. You could literally do this hair in 10 seconds. So yeah, this is it. This is my makeup. Kind of glam. Let me go get changed and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is my outfit. I got a black pair of Hudson's on. High rise. They're skinny. I have a nice scarf, a jean jacket, and I will be wearing my Adidas shoes today with this outfit. And also my beautiful watch that my boyfriend gave me. Ooh, okay. So I hope you guys like this Get Ready With Me. I had so much fun doing it with you guys. Glad I could show you guys my normal routine. This is literally what I do before work. And I usually am filming right before work, so I hope that you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your friends and family and have a great rest of the week.